The main functions of rotary kilns, its technical performance and operation largely determine the quality, output, and cost of a company's products. The folk rhyme "as long as the large kiln rotates, there will be tens of millions" is a vivid description of the importance of rotary kilns in production in the building materials industry. In addition to burning clinker, the rotary kiln is also used to burn cement, limestone and slag drying. In the production of refractory materials, the rotary kiln is used to burn raw materials to stabilize their size, increase their strength, and then reprocess them into shapes.